Alright, so I've caught the bird. I stacked up these two containers, had the lid off the top one, and I slid it into the fireplace. But before I did that, I put a flashlight inside the container and stood the flashlight up facing up the chimney to make it look like light for him to fly towards it, thinking it was a way out. So I put it in there, and it took about maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and then he finally flew down and landed in the box. So before I pulled the containers out, there was enough space, the gap there, to slide the lid over the top and put the lid on the container. And then I just slid the containers out, and now I'm going to let them go. Right. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Here, tip it over for you. Go ahead. You're free. It's a flashlight. All right, time to wash my hands.